Hello everyone, it's your girl Yvette Chanel and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well during this quarantine time. I am so ready for this to be over. Here in Florida, I swear it rained for the past 4 or 5 days. It has not stopped. You can't even go outside for nothing. So anyways, that's not what you're here for. I hope everybody is well, and listen, you can't help but sit at home and shop. So therefore, I did some Boohoo shopping. This is my first time shopping from Boohoo. Okay, I picked up a couple outfits. Now my outfits are outfits that I'm going to wear. Well, I wanted to wear for my birthday, but that's when the quarantine started. My birthday was March 26th, and that's when the quarantine started. So I didn't get to wear any of these outfits for my birthday, but I'm going to show them to you guys. And hopefully this ends really soon so I can wear these outfits. Now these outfits are like date night outfits, going to hang out with your girlfriend's outfits. If you're going clubbing, you know, this is dressy. It's dress up. I got one casual outfit, but the other 3 are like, we're ready to be outside. Okay, we're ready to go somewhere. We're ready to get some drinks. We're ready to have some fun. And these will be waiting for when this quarantine is over. So let's get straight to it. Got my bag from Boohoo. Now it's taking me a little longer to do these the clothing hauls. I'm a little off. It's usually weekly, but with shipping, it's a little slower. Usually it takes, I mean, with anything, it takes like no more than 7 days, but now it's taking like 2 weeks. I even had shipping to say that it was going to take 3 weeks. So shipping is really slow, and I'm still buying like crazy, and things are coming in the mail like really slow. So I have to slowly put these videos out because I'm waiting on things to come in the mail. But okay, this is my first time shopping with Boohoo. I was really skeptical with the sizes. It's a little scary, but I did not too bad. I did pretty good. So let me tell you what I got. All right, so I have this leather skirt. It came in a pair with a cotton skirt. Okay, so you get these two right here. Now the links will be in the description box. It'll take you exactly to the link where I got these skirts from. So it came with a leather skirt and a cotton skirt. And if you follow your girl on Instagram, Yvette_Chanel, and you will see how I pair these outfits. Okay, so follow your girl. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what other places you want me to try. Let me know what's on your mind, okay? So this is a leather skirt. Can't go wrong with leather. And believe it or not, it's chilly here in Florida, which is crazy. I don't know what's going on with the weather. It was super hot before the quarantine, and during the first 3 weeks of the quarantine, and then it went to raining, and then the temperature just dropped to 55 degrees. I don't know what's going on. It's really odd. Okay, leather skirt. I got this in a US size 6. Now this skirt, it fits, but it's not hugging. Okay, it fits. It has a little bit of stretch in it. You have room, but you know, sometimes when you want to go out with your hubby, your boo, or even if you just go with your girlfriends, you wanted to hug them curves that you've been working on. Okay, I know I've been focusing more on my fitness videos because the clothing been coming slow, so I've been focusing on my fitness videos, and I need this skirt to show my progress. But it fits, it's good. I could have sized down, so I paired it on Instagram with this snake cami, and I got this from Shein. Okay, and I put it with what shoes? Oh, and I put it with these shoes, my red bottom shoes. I got this from this special store in the mall here. It's called, I'll put the link below. What is it called? See, I can't even get the name of the box. I don't know. This is a special corset store, but I'll put the link in the box. These are so bomb. I love these. Red bottoms, yes ma'am. So I paired these together on Instagram, really cute. I like the skirt, but like I said, I could have sized down if I wanted it to be more fitting. It fits good, it's fine, but I want it to be more, you know, wow, you know, I'm saying you want to step out. So, and it's not too hot. It's not thin. It's not thick, but it's perfect. You can still wear it like right now, even if it's like a little hot outside. It won't. It's a skirt. You won't be hot. So that's cute, 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 cute. And then I got, I love this. It's so different, out my comfort zone. I don't really do colors, but this sheer bodysuit. This is amazing. The detail, the art that's on the shirt, it really pops when you wear it. I'm telling you, it really pops. I put on a nude bra underneath and it goes perfectly. I just love the art. This is a US size 6. I was just playing it safe and I was buying 6 and everything. This fits really good, but once again, if I wanted to fit tight, then I could have sized down. So I could have sized down, but it's not so bad to the point that I have to return it. So I love the art of this shirt. All right, so you see the burgundy that's in the shirt. So what I did, I paired it with, excuse the wrinkles, I put them back in my drawer. I paired it with these burgundy leather pants. I got these from Fashion Nova. So I put these with this. Yes, ma'am. How cute is that? See that? It matches perfectly. Love it. And I wear this belt because my pants are a little bit loose in the waist, so I wear this belt with it. Really cute. And then I put my black heels with it. It has the gold accent in it. I can't remember where I got these heels from. I want to say Charlotte Russe. I've had these for a while, so I can't even say. But I put these black heels with it because it has the gold accent. Nope, you know what? I did not put these black heels with it. I'm so wrong. I put these with it. Because I'm like, where did I get black from? I put these, I put these with this. Because of the nude, I'm gonna have a nude, because I have a nude bra. And because it's sheer, I put these shoes with it. These are 9 West heels, and I got them from TJ Maxx. I got these from TJ Maxx. These are some 9 West heels. So this is the outfit that I paired together. Really cute. Really cute. I love the shirt. I love the art. I love the art of the shirt. It is so cute. So cute. Okay. Let's see what else I got. And you can still wear this in the summer. It's not hot. It's a sheer shirt. And even my leather pants, it's pretty thin. It's not bad. It's not bad. So yeah. All right, the next piece I got from Boohoo. Like I said before, I played it safe. Let me see what size did I get. Well, I don't have a size on here. I'm pretty sure I got a 6. I played it safe. I just got a 6. I read as many reviews that I could possibly find, and I got a 6. And this is a shirt. It's different. It has all your prints, and I'm not big on prints, but this looks so classy. So classy. Yes, ma'am. And it has the little holes in the sleeves. You can see my picture on Instagram. Don't forget to follow your girl. And this is so cute. Another bodysuit. Okay, I like bodysuits because it keeps your shirt in place. You know, it's like wearing a shirt, but it keeps it in place without it, you know, moving around. So I got this in the 6. Only thing about this bodysuit, like I said, it fits. It's loose in the bodysuit part, so it's a little baggy, but nobody's gonna see that. You know, I could have sized down a little bit, but besides that, this part, it fits great. It's a nice blouse material. It's so cute, so classy. And you remember that other skirt that came with it? So I paired it with the skirt that came with the leather skirt. You can't go wrong with black. You know I love my black. And then this is what these shoes went with. These are the shoes that went with this because they're black And then I have my gold accents. And you just can't beat that. Come on. Cute. What's stepping? What? Styling. Profiling. Yes, ma'am. Cute. I am ready for when this quarantine is over. Oh, yes. I'm going to celebrate my birthday for 7 days, 30 days. I don't know. But yes, I'm going to have so many outfits. I'm stepping out every night. Okay. This is cute. Hubby is going to have to take me somewhere. Super cute. Alright, and the last piece I got. This is just a little mini haul. I wanted to try Boohoo out before I go crazy. Now, I did size down in this one because of the reviews and comments. This is a 4. Okay. Now, this is my casual wear. I just wanted something simple and casual. This cute little top that hangs off the shoulder. Right here, you got your bow, and it's runched in the middle. Just something cute. You can pair it with some jeans. You can pair it with anything. Tennis shoes, heels. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. Very cute top. And what I did is I paired it with, surprisingly, I saw someone do this before. I paired it with these flare leggings. Or pants, not leggings. And I paired it with this. And it's cute. It's a look. It's simple. I wanted something simple since we being comfortable. Quarantine and comfortable. You know? And then I just put some Guess shoes with it. I've had these for a while. But I put these Guess wedges with it. And it goes with it. See? Boom. It's a look. Something simple, something comfortable, brunch, you know, something like that. Super cute. Just going to get something to eat. I don't know what this is. Yeah, something cute. Okay. So, those are the pieces I got from Boohoo. And I am very pleased, but now I know my size. See, I wanted to try them out first, but I didn't get any pants, so I'm gonna still have to test out their pants. But Boohoo is really nice. Their quality is nice. The clothes is nice. The shipping was even still good with the quarantine. It was really good. I'm loving it. I love their deals. You gotta catch them when they have them coupons and them deals. Yeah, especially now during the quarantine, there's all type of deals going out right now. I'm not saying spend all your money, but catch it while you got a coupon, while you got a deal. Why it's on sale, okay? Yes, save them coins. Save them coins. Don't be paying full price. No ma'am, no ma'am. So, those are the outfits I got from Boohoo. I'm very pleased. Definitely try it out. Follow your girl on Yvette_Chanel. It's all about fitness and fashion with me. Fitness and fashion, okay? I cannot wear these clothes and be fashionable if I'm not being fit, okay? If I'm gonna just sit at home and just eat cake and don't pay attention to what I'm doing, what I'm eating, what I'm putting in my body, how I'm gonna be able to wear these clothes that I'm buying? Okay, like no, I need my size to stay the same. So watch my fitness videos, okay? Hold yourself accountable. Don't just let go. Just because the gyms are closed, there's no excuse. No ma'am. Even if you just do it 3 times a week, 30 minutes a day, okay? At least maintain. It'll help you maintain until you get back in the gym or until you start to go to the gym, okay? Just 30 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week. You can do it. You can do it. You ain't got nothing else to do. You're sitting in the house. You can miss 30 minutes of a TV show. Do a 30-minute workout. Now, don't do that 30-minute workout and go eat some chicken or some ice cream. Now, come on now. No, you can't do that. But yeah, stay fit fashion, okay? It goes hand in hand. Alright? Also, stay healthy, stay safe, sanitize. Make sure the kids are doing that work online. Yes, yes. And I shall see you guys in the next video. It might be a fitness video. It might be a fashion video. I don't know. We're going to see because I'm still waiting on my packages. Alright, so see you next time. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe. Alright? Bye.